Hey guys, this is Rachel here with vicrez.com. Today we will be looking at how to properly install part number vz101061, Vicrez's LV style rear diffuser add-on for all 2015 to 2019 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcats. These rear diffuser add-ons add an aggressive yet modern style, giving style to your Dodge SRT Hellcat. They are constructed from a lightweight, high-grade ABS material and designed using the car's 3D Scan CAD data. Manufactured entirely in the USA, these rear diffuser add-ons come as a flat, matte black with a high-quality finish, no painting required. Plus, all installation hardware is included with these rear diffuser add-ons. Please note that this applies to all Vicrez rear diffuser add-ons. Now let's take a look at how to install this particular diffuser add-on. First, we recommend measuring the part itself to accurately divide it evenly between 5 parts. After you have determined the appropriate spacing for your fins, use a marker to help aid in the spacing between each fin. This will enable you to install the fins easily, evenly, and equally throughout the rear diffuser. Also, we do provide you with some recommendations and instructions in order to help assist you with the installation process. Here, we are measuring according to our recommendations with fins 2 inches from each side and then spaced 6.5 inches apart from another. As always, it is up to your personal preference as to how much distance you want to add between each fin. Next, test fit the rear fin so that you are familiar with how they fit your vehicle. Then, place the provided template onto the surface of the rear diffuser to determine where to drill the holes. Use the rear fin to help with the accurate alignment of each hole placement. Once you have determined the hole positions, you can start drilling into the rear diffuser. If you want to have the fin sitting more flush against the rear diffuser, feel free to add some 3M tape onto the mounting surface of the rear fin, making sure as to not cover the pre-drilled holes. If applying the 3M tape in addition to the hardware, please remember to thoroughly clean the OEM rear diffuser to ensure the cleanest possible surface. Isopropyl alcohol will help to remove any paint contaminants, ensuring the fins attach properly to the surface. Now, we insert the provided screws and washers into the holes we've drilled and line up the rear fin. Once you have lined the screws up to the rear fins, remove the applied 3M tape backing and screw the rear fins in until secured. Apply some pressure if the rear fin is not totally flush with the surface, to properly allow for the adequate adhesion of the 3M tape that you have applied. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more awesome videos and don't forget to sign up for our newsletter for exclusive promotions and discounts sent directly to your inbox.